On our website, you can get PDF learning materials for free. Please visit englist.me.
Stun.
To make a person or an animal unconscious or dizzy, especially by hitting them on the head, to make someone surprised or shocked greatly.
Examples:
Stun fish. Stun an audience. This sprinter stunned the world with his speed.
Stardom.
The status or quality of being famous, especially for being an actor, a singer, etc.
Examples:
Rise to stardom. Chance at stardom. The actor's shot to stardom in a few years.
Prosthetic.
Of or relating to an artificial part of the body, such as a limb, a heart, or a breast implant.
Examples:
Have prosthetic arms. Prosthetic limbs. New prosthetic joints are less prone to metal poisoning.
Mechatronics.
Technology or a field of science that combines electronics and mechanical engineering.
Examples:
Mechatronics design. Control mechatronics apparatuses. Researchers at that university's mechatronics laboratory have launched a humanoid robot startup.
Robotic.
Of or relating to mechanical robots, robotics, the interdisciplinary branch of computer science and engineering with the practical use of robots.
Examples:
Robotic arm. Robotic guide operation. The surgeon removed the tumor using robotic video assistance.
Pontifical.
Connected the position or authority of the Pope equals the head of the Roman Catholic Church.
Examples:
Administer a pontifical office. Pontifical palace. The government appoints a pontifical commission to conduct the state's administrative affairs.
Catholic.
Universal and including many different types of things, related to or associated with the part of the Christian Church that has the Pope as its leader.
Examples:
Catholic in his tastes. The Catholic Church. Sociologists are now interested in Catholic world peace.
Multidisciplinary.
Integrating or involving various academic fields or different skills in a topic or problem-solving approach.
Examples:
Multidisciplinary project. Multidisciplinary analysis. He adopted a multidisciplinary research approach to unravel complex phenomena.
Myoelectric.
Relating to or utilizing electricity generated by muscle.
Examples:
Myoelectric activity. Myoelectric sensor. We need to recognize myoelectric signals effectively and precisely to control a bionic prosthetic arm.
Transradial.
Relating to or using the radial artery, as during coronary angiography, as in a prosthesis below the elbow, through, across, or below the radius of the arm.
Examples:
Transradial heart catheter. Transradial motion. The transradial approach is often used because of its lower physical burden on the patient.
Amputation.
The act of cutting off a part of the body surgically.
Examples:
Amputation of leg. Hand amputation. Amputation of the limb is a last resort for the patient.
Fingertip.
The end or tip of a finger.
Examples:
Apply fingertip pressure. Burn my fingertip. The archaeologist ran his fingertips along the pattern of the tombstones.
Forearm.
The part of a person's arm between the elbow and the wrist. Verb, to arm in advance of a confrontation.
Examples:
Forearm bone. Several veins of the forearm. The accident left him with numbness in his left forearm.
Haptic.
Of or relating to or involving the sense of touch.
Examples:
Haptic perception. Haptic feedback. The player controls the game with a joystick or other haptic device.
Amputee.
A person who has had an arm or a leg cut off.
Examples:
Quadruple amputee. Amputee runner. Amputees often experience an illusion of a phantom limb.
Electromyography.
A technique for evaluating and recording the electrical activity produced by skeletal muscles.
Examples:
Electromyography signal. Recorded by electromyography. Athletes often use electromyography measurement devices to improve their form.
Recycle.
To sort and collect things to process them and produce valuable materials that can be used again.
Examples:
Recycle the cardboard boxes. Recycle milk packaging into new paper. We largely recycle the circuit board of cell phones because they contain a lot of valuable metals.
Parameterize.
To describe or represent something as a parameter equals a numerical or measurable factor that defines a system and determines its performance, or parameters.
Examples:
Parameterize the utility function. Parameterize the complex system. All climate models apply the same physical laws, but the outcomes vary because they parameterize phenomena like cloud formation differently.
Amputate.
To cut off a part of the body, especially by surgery.
Examples:
Amputate both legs. Amputate below the knee. Finally, they had to amputate his foot to free him from the wrecked car.
Recreate.
To make something that existed previously happen or appear to exist again.
Examples:
Recreate a single country. Recreate the feeling of the 1920s. She recreated the atmosphere of the pre-war age with her stage setting.
Astonishment.
A feeling of very great surprise.
Examples:
Blink in astonishment. Struck with astonishment. They stood rooted in astonishment for a while.